Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my new setup. This is my new setup. I am recording on DJI Osmo 360. It's been a while that I took the bike out as well. My dearest Suzuki GSX-S 1000. This bike is absolutely to my liking. I mean, can't deny that fact, bro. Only thing is, this wire is protruding out a lot, and it is kind of objecting my view. I'll have to see what is the kind of jugaad that I can do for it. Probably tie a zip tag. Alright guys, I am right now going to T-Hub. There is a event which is going on over there, which is like an innovation event. My god, the auto blipping is not working that well. I don't know, I might have to do a little bit of tweak here and there because I changed the sensor. Maybe I'll have to just set the timing, and the sensitivity probably have to be increased, which I can do it from the app. I mean, literally it's not like a huge deal. You just have to set the quick shifter again. You know, it's just the setting part. It's just how you like your bike personally, set to your preference. That's the only thing which I'm supposed to change. Okay, so let me tell you the things that I have to do to the bike after I got it. So the problem with Indian mechanics, most of the Indian mechanics at least, is that they are fucking lazy, dude. They are lazy as fuck. You know, they would want to fix it in the normal way, but they will not do it as OEM as how you get the bike. And that's mainly the reason why people hesitate whenever there is a bike crash, you know, to pick up a bike which is crashed. But let me tell you something. So if you get the wire routing or the torque specifications, whatever is required, if you do that through the manual. Anyways, coming back to my concerns, first of all, these bolts which hold the handle, so they were not properly tightened. And you know, you see, if you can, I don't know if you can see the reading. Oh my god, why did I even take this route, dude? Was not supposed to come this side. Totally forgot. Anyways, old habits die hard, bro. Can't help it. Okay, you see these readings. I'm just trying to tilt and see if I can show you guys. So yeah, these readings that you see are basically something that tell you how to put your handle in exact dead center middle. And also these readings will also show you the angle on which you're supposed to set your handle. Our great authorized mechanic from the company, he has not set it right. So you know, the handle was towards right a little bit, so I had to, you know, again loosen these bolts. And when I was loosening the bolts, I found that this bolt was loose. This bolt was not completely tightened. So obviously, you know, if you know the torque specs and if you go by the book, you will not make those mistakes. Definitely this might sound a very small mistake, but bro, this small mistake will cause you a life. Okay, so you'll have to be very careful about that. You'll have to set up the torque for the bolts. I think for this it is 23 Newton meters for these bolts. So this was like fucking loose, dude. So I tightened that bolt again. My god, traffic, bro. Why did I even take this route? And also the headlight assembly was not properly fixed. The screws were not, you know, the top screws were not there. And the wires behind the headlight, you know, the indicator wire, the main switch wires, all the wires were not properly routed in those sections. I have made a small video of that, and I have put a small reel on Instagram just showing people why I actually work on my own motorcycles and why I don't like giving it to any of the mechanics. Because first thing, when it's not your bike, you would want to just do whatever the hell you want and just complete the work and give it, but you would not do it with the love and respect this needs. So that is really important when you're working on a motorcycle. When this handle grip was little towards inside, which actually was giving a little bit of gap here, and it was really looking ugly. So yeah, I have moved this as well and then set this properly. So these are the small things which is lacking in our country, because you do the work but you don't do the detailing. The detailing is everything. People don't understand that. The detailing is the entire key for the existence of, you know, any vehicle being perfect. People have to know that. People have to realize that. And also, yeah, the throttle, and this is not any mistake, the throttle was not set according to my style, so I have recalibrated or reset the throttle. So yeah, that's how everything is. You know, when I apply the brake light is not coming up. So he said that the switch is gone, the switch is not functioning, and that's the reason why you're not getting the brake light. But bro, that's not the case. Actually, the wire beneath is not connected. The wire was not connected to the switch, bro. If the wire is not connected, how are you even going to get the brake light, man? See, these are the small details which is really important. So yeah, that's the reason I don't like giving my bikes to anybody to do the work. छोटा मोटा काम चलता है यार, not like big works. बे यार कहाँ पे घुसेगा यार? What the hell, man? Dude, dude, seriously? Other than your ego, there is nothing which is going to fit in, man. People, I tell you. So whenever I'm shifting the gear, right? So it's supposed to go like tuck 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 easily, but now there is like a slight gap. I think I'll have to increase the sensitivity, but when I increase the sensitivity, you know, the power cut is going to happen, and then I can change the gears properly. Anyways, so that's it for now. Let me go and I'll start recording again there, probably give you a 360 view, and also let me know how you find this angle, because I really want to try another angle, man. Whenever we are riding, I really don't like, not that I don't like, but I'm bored of seeing the same kind of videos every time, you know. People making vlogs these days, they are just, you know, uploading, I mean, like fixing a chin mount and then you're recording it, right? So I want to try different angles so that you get a different perspective. My whole idea is to probably mount it somewhere near the chest, and when I'm doing that, I would also have a 360 angle, so that whenever it is required, I just, you know, keep switching. Oh, dude, this is super wobbly. I just hope it doesn't fall, man. So yeah, that was a good event for sure, but we had to like move out from there because there was too much crowd, and also it's been like more than 2 hours that I was here. Chalo. We are now heading to a place called Cafika. This is somewhere near Masjid Bana. I think that's what it is called. Apparently that place is really nice, and you can park your vehicles right in front of you and just have a coffee. So we're just gonna chill for a while and then probably head back home. మనది స్టైలే వేరు, మనమంతా 360 గైస్. Man, the way it pulls, this pull is like fucking different. And I don't know how people use the 360 camera mounting on their helmet. It looks weird, first thing, and the next thing is, dude, I think it comes in your vision somehow, like, you know, it's right in front of you, so it comes on in the vision. So it's something which I don't prefer. So yep, thanks to the Insta360 action selfie stick, which is a carbon fiber selfie stick, which is apparently more stronger than the normal selfie stick, because you're not supposed to use a normal selfie stick for the bikes. Yeah, so it is good, it is sturdy enough. I'm hoping this camera is going to make good footage out of this. And man, the problem is, even I have everything with me, I'm gonna have to do the editing work, right? So I don't know how do I do the editing work when the laptop is not in a great condition. I mean, it is a good laptop which I have, but it's on i5 processor. So wait bro, GSX S1000 advantages, man. You can slice through traffic like this, and then wait, literally you're just parking your bike inside. What? The beauty of lineups, bro. The beauty of lineups. Beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. Alright, take care guys, bye bye.